Assalamu alaikum all my dear students. Welcome back to another social studies recorded class. I'm your class teacher, Ms. Jasper Khurram from the Smart School Sir Syed Ahmed Khan campuses and Galsain Johar campus. I hope you all are doing great and you are enjoying staying at home and loving this all recorded lessons and our live sessions as well. So, the chapter is weather. Chapter 3 of your book. Kindly open your book pages. Page 13, that's the first page, we will start the topic. Chapter 3, weather of your social studies book. Your smart social studies. Open it up on page number 13. We are going to discuss chapter weather. Now you must be wondering that what actually weather is. Weather is a condition of the atmosphere at a particular place and time. It changes from day to day and even within a day. Yes, weather is a condition of atmosphere. I already told you that atmosphere is a layer that protects earth from the harmful rays of sun and the harmful things around it that can hit or strike our earth. That is the layer that protects us. So, weather is the condition that the atmosphere at a particular place and time, that what is happening at what place and what is happening at what time as well. Even the weather can change within a day as well. Like if you are having a very sunny day in morning, then you can have rain, a very much rain in evening time as well. So, weather is the condition of the atmosphere at a particular climate, place and time. It changes from day to day and even within a day. Now you must be wondering that you have heard the term climate as well. Climate is the average weather condition of a place over many years. As you can see over here in this picture as well, that if it's sunny day or cloudy day, we cannot even say it's both, because if the clouds will go away from here, it will be a proper sunny day. But if the clouds won't go anywhere, it will be a it will stay with it, then it will be a kindly partly cloudy day. When we describe weather, we say, is it hot or cold, wet or dry, windy or calm, cloudy or sunny? So, when we describe, like if we are having today's day, we will say that if it's cold or hot, then mostly weather in Karachi, in our city, is actually hot. Wet or dry, गीला है या dry है. So, this is when mostly the rain or rainy day or a dry. Mostly Karachi's weather is dry, windy or calm. Karachi's weather is kindly windy because we live next to the we have seas all over here, so that's why Karachi is kind of a windy, but sometimes it's very calm and it has very much not so windy days as well, in which we will have a proper most sunny days as well, hottest days as well, we face them too, and cloudy or sunny as well. So weather affects our daily activities, our clothes and foods habits as well. Daily we depend on weathers. Like if we have like if we having a sunny day, we will drink a lot of water and we will play indoor games. When it is cold, we carry umbrellas. When it is rainy, so this is all depend on how the weather is. We do our activities, we do the fun things like according to the needs that we are going to face the weather. Now in these you can see that there are several different types of weather have been described. Like here is a proper sunny day. The sun is in whole swing to be over here. This one is the cloudy night. This is a thunderstorm that we faced in Karachi previous days. That we faced a lot of rain, a lot of wet thunderstorms in recent days as well. A rainy day, a partly cloudy day, and a night day. So these are the 6 modes of the weather, but few of them are mentioned here, few of them. I will mention in that in next slide as well, in which a snowy day is also there, but we don't face that thing in Karachi that much. That snowy and cold weather is mostly faced in northern parts of our Pakistan. Did you know the study of weather is known as meteorology, and the person who studies this is known as meteorologist? Is the person who shows the proper conditions, like how the weather is. They study about what the weather conditions are, how to use the equipments as well. So the person who studies weather is known as meteorologist, and the study of weather is known as meteorology. Weather conditions. There are several weather conditions that we mostly face in our country. That is sunny. In sunny condition, what we have to do is we need to drink a lot of water, we need to wear lighter clothes, and we need to stay indoors as much as we can. Number 2, cold. Now cold weather may we should wear warm clothes, we should eat warm food like eat boiled eggs, fish, soups. It all depends on whether that how and what kind of food we are going to eat. Rainy. Carry an umbrella, wear a raincoat, or even we do like to eat some amazing snacks in these rainy days as well. So these are the main weather conditions: sunny, cold and rainy, as you all can see in these pictures as well. Now how do we measure a weather? Is we need different instruments to report the weather. Now what is an instrument? Instrument is a tool that is used to measure that how the weather is, what are the conditions of the weather, and how we are going to do that things. So different instruments are used to report the weather. Meteorologists keep a daily record of different cities in the weather chart. They do. Because of that, we can see that how our weather condition of our beloved country is, how the conditions we are going to face. So different instruments are used to report the weather, and meteorologists keep a daily record of different cities in the weather chart. Let's just see what are these instruments. Number 1 is thermometer. Thermometer is a measure temperatures, and its unit of measurement is called Celsius, that is represented by C like this, and Fahrenheit, that is represented with F like this. So thermometer is the measurement unit that tells us that if it's very cold, it's very hot, or if it's moderate temperature. Like I have told you before, you can see over here, this is a Celsius line, and this one represents the Fahrenheit. The ones that we use is Celsius. We use to measure the temperature is in Celsius. So the ones the below zeros represents that the weather is cold, like -10, -20, -30, -40 and -50. But above 10 is representing that weather is hot. When it crosses above 40, so it means it's a very hottest day, like we do face in our country as well. So thermometer is a measure unit to use temperature to measure temperature, and its unit of measurement is Celsius and Fahrenheit. Rain gauge. It measures the rainfall. Like you can see, these are the things that it is written in millimeters. Like we have to keep it in the rain, and whenever it is filled and how much it is filled, it depends that how much rain has happened. It will tell that how much rain has happened according to its filling, and its measurement unit of measurement is millimeters. We measure rain in millimeters. Wind vane. It tells the direction of the wind. Like you can see over here, like north, south, east and west. We have already discussed these in our previous lesson as well. The wind vane is used to tell the direction of the wind, and its unit of measurement is north, south, east and west, like I have told you before. Like they have to tell you that from where the most wind is coming from the east side, from the north side, from the west or south, wherever the thing is. So from where the most of the direction of the wind is. So this one is known as wind vane. Anemometer. It tells us the speed of wind and its unit of measurement is knots. Knots is a unit of speed. It tells the speed of the rain, that how much the rain is coming in what speed and from where. So wind anemometer tells us about the speed of wind. Sunshine recorder. Now this one is used to measure the amount of the sunshine, and its units of measurement is kW/m square, means kilowatts per square meter. It tells us about that how amount of the sunshine we are getting, how if it's a sunny day or not. So this one tells us about the sunshine that we are a sun. This one is known as sunshine recorder. This one is a device that records the amount of sunshine at a given location or region at any time. The result provides information about the weather and climate as well as the temperature of the area. This one is useful in the meteorologist department, as the meteorologists used to use this instrument for the measurement of sunshine, and its unit of measurement is kilowatts per square meter. So this is what our total lecture was all about. We discussed that what is weather, weather is the condition of atmosphere at a particular place and time. It changes from day to day. What is a person known who studies the weather is known as meteorologist, and a person study of weather is known as meteorology. We discussed about three certain conditions of weather like sunny day, cold day and rainy day. We discussed about the measuring weather unit, that are thermometer, rain gauge, wind vane, anemometer and sunshine recorder. We discuss and learn more about weather, that how we always be wondering that how do we even get to know that what and how other persons know that what kind of weather it is. Now you know that what instruments we use and what are the measuring units known as. So you all, this was it for today. We will meet in our next lecture recorded class inshallah soon. So till then, take care of your time. I'm signing off. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.